Is a len underscore the preferred way to get the length of an array in Python? In Python, is the following the only way to get the number of elements? If so, why the strange syntax?
The same works for tuples and strings, which are really just arrays of characters. It was intentionally done this way so that lists, tuples and other container types or iterables didn't all need to explicitly implement a public.length method. Instead you can just check the len of anything that implements the magic _len_ method. Sure, this may seem redundant, but length checking implementations can vary considerably, even within the same language. It's not uncommon to see one collection type use a .length method while another type uses a .length property, while yet another uses .count. Having a language level keyword unifies the entry point for all these types. So even objects you may not consider to be lists of elements could still be length checked. This includes strings, queues, trees, etc. The functional nature of len also lends itself well to functional styles of programming.
The way you take a length of anything for which that makes sense, a list, dictionary, tuple, string, is to call len on it. The reason for the strange syntax is that internally Python translates len object into object._len_. This applies to any object. So, if you are defining some class and it makes sense for it to have a length, just define _len_ method on it and then one can call len on those instances.
Just use lena.
Python uses duck typing. It doesn't care about what an object is, as long as it has the appropriate interface for the situation at hand. When you call the built-in function len on an object, you are actually calling its internal _len_ method. A custom object can implement this interface and len will return the answer, even if the object is not conceptually a sequence. For a complete list of interfaces, have a look here, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.